Hello everyone. Now we'll start again with a beta and a gamma function. Now we have a look at our integrand. What is our integrand? It is algebraic into log. Since it is algebraic into log, my integrand is algebraic into log, so it is bound to give me a gamma function, and we know log and exponentials are inverses of each other. So for a gamma function I need to convert this log wala term into exponential. So first we'll pick up the log wala term. What is the log wala term? Log of 1 by x is nothing but log 1 minus log x. Log 1 ka value is 0 minus log x. So log of 1 by x turns out to minus log x. Now what we'll do, I'll write down let log x equal to t. When I'm writing minus log x is equal to t, that means this will become log x equal to minus t, and x log ka inverse is e raised to minus t. I need my exponential term ka power raised to the term ka power has to be 1 and the coefficient has to be minus. So I got my dx, x. Now I'll calculating dx. What is that? Dx minus e raised to minus t into dt. The limits x and t. X ka limit is from 0 to 1. Now we'll have a look. When x is 0, then in that case log 0 tends to, when x is 0, in this you people must be knowing, log 0 tends to minus infinity. Log 0 tends to minus infinity, then minus infinity equal to minus t, minus minus gets cancelled, t ka value is infinity. When x is 1, then log 1 becomes 0, t becomes 0. After that, the given integral, what's the given integral? Integral 0 to 1 x cube log of 1 by x raised to 4 into dx. X cube 0 to 1, x is nothing but e raised to minus t, the whole raised to 3 log of 1 by x. Log of 1 by x, if we know, it turns out to be minus log x, the whole raised to 4. Dx ka value people can see minus e raised to minus t into dt. Next it will give me 0 to 1 e raised to minus 3t minus 1 raised to 4 becomes minus 1 raised to 4 becomes a 1. Log x ka value is minus t, minus minus becomes a plus, this becomes a t raised to 4. This minus will be outside, e raised to minus t into dt. If you people must have noticed, I made a mistake here. I have not written the limits properly. So this becomes a infinity to 0. This is infinity to 0. Infinity to 0. The next wala term will be minus a to b will be written as integral b to a. So this becomes a 0 to infinity t raised to 4 e base same indices get added. This becomes e raised to minus 4 t dt. Now I will be always interested in the exponential term. Now my exponential term raised to something, that something ka power should be 1 and the coefficient also needs to be 1. But if you observe properly here, the coefficient is not minus 1, it is minus 4. So we need to go for an substitution again. So what will be the substitution here? We'll write down let 4t equal to u, 4t equal to u, that means 4 dt will be equal to du. That implies dt ka value will be 1 upon 4 into du. The limits, now t and u, t ka limits are 0 to infinity, so here u ka limit also will be 0 to infinity. The next wala part, this integral turns out to be, this gets converted to 0 to infinity. Here on the left hand side we have x cube log 1 by x, the whole raised to 4 into dx. Integral 0 to infinity e raised to minus u, t ka value is dt. Here my dt turns out to be 1 by 4 into du. T ka value turns out to be u by 4 the whole raised to 4, which is u raised to 4 upon 4 raised to 4. 4 raised to 4 into 1 by 4 gives me 1 upon 4 raised to 5. Integral 0 to infinity raised to minus u. We'll get back a u raised to 4 into du. Now people can observe here exponential term raised to ka power is 1 and the coefficient is -1. So u raised to n, that n ka value is 4. Final answer will be 1 upon 4 raised to 5 gamma 4 plus 1, which is gamma 5.